Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to pin sticky notes to your Start menu on Windows 10. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of your screen where you'll find the Start button, which is represented by the Windows icon. Go ahead and click on it to open the Start menu. Once the menu appears, you'll see a search field at the bottom. Simply type sticky notes into this search field. As you type, Windows will automatically begin searching for the application and display the results above the search box. Now, from the search results that appear, you'll see sticky notes listed as one of the options. Instead of clicking on it normally to open the app, you'll want to right-click on the sticky notes result. This action will bring up a context menu with several options for interacting with the application. From this menu, look for and click on the option that says Pin to Start. This is the key step that will add sticky notes as a tile directly to your Start menu, giving you quick and easy access to the app whenever you need it. By pinning it to Start, you're essentially creating a shortcut that lives right in your Start menu, so you don't have to search for the app every single time you want to use it. After you've selected Pin to Start, the Sticky Notes application will now appear as a tile in your Start menu. To verify that it's been successfully pinned and to see where it's located, go back to the bottom left corner of your screen and click on the Start button or Windows icon once again. When the Start menu opens, you'll notice that Sticky Notes now appears among your other pinned tiles. You can easily identify it by its distinctive icon, and from this point forward, you can launch Sticky Notes directly from the Start menu with just a single click. And there you have it. You've successfully pinned Sticky Notes to your Start menu, making it instantly accessible whenever you need to jot down quick reminders or important information. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.